Is your entryway a shoe pile disaster? Reclaim your space with the ultimate organization hack. Introducing the Whitmore over-the-door shoe organizer. This clever solution transforms unused door space into valuable storage. It's perfect for any homeowner looking to declutter and bring order to their shoe collection. Say hello to a tidier home. This organizer holds an impressive 36 pairs of shoes. Its unique metal and mesh design ensures both durability and functionality. The mesh-lined back prevents shoes from slipping and protects your door from scuffs. It's built to last and keep your footwear accessible. Installation is a breeze. This versatile organizer hangs easily over most standard doors. You can also wall mount it for a permanent solution. All necessary tools are included, making setup quick and hassle-free. Get organized in minutes and enjoy your new tidy space. Homeowners, this is more than just a shoe rack. It's a space-saving marvel that brings order to chaos. Free up valuable floor and closet space instantly. Ready to step into an organized home? The Whitmore over-the-door shoe organizer is available now for just $37.99. Don't let shoe clutter win. Click the link in our bio to learn more and purchase yours today. Visit the Whitmore store on Amazon and transform your space.